All right, good day. We're at Cayo Cruz, just taking a look at the room tour. We've got we're at Building 7, and we've got the rooftop. You can just see that off to my right in the background there. And let's take a little walk up the stairs, and I'll show you what's inside the room. All right, so in the front you can see the swim-up units. Those are also pretty nice. I think next time I may try a swim-up pool just for the comparison. So the rooms here, this resort is quite new. It's like 3 years old, so everything's in pretty good working condition. There's 2 rooms up here. There's the suite, which is 7201, and that run is a bit bigger. We've got the 7202. Let's take a look at the room. As you come in here on your left, we've got the little storage area. We've got our suitcases not unpacked yet. We've got a safe with the number 4 that's not functional. Ironing board, iron, a few coat hangers here, some bathrobes. So overall decent storage area there. Got a mini fridge here, and I don't know if they'll come and stock this right now. See, there's nothing in it. Feels cold. Got some bottled water up on top. You see, things not quite fit properly there, but that's fine. Okay, let's see what else we got here. We got some umbrellas, which might come in handy. Dual sinks, towels, hair dryer. Looks in very good shape. And over here's the toilet and some toilet paper, well stocked, so that's also good. We've got the thermostat here, some outlets for power. And this is pretty nice here too. We've got a shower and a bathtub in the same room. It's got the rain head shower up there, controls, and tub. And let's see if I can figure out how to open this. Maybe not. Oh, they've got the windows are frosted over. All right. A couple more bath towels and bath mat. And then we got the main sort of bedroom area and a little sitting area here. So a decent little spot. You could sit here and have your coffee or in the morning or breakfast. Little sitting area here. Another table to put your, probably that's where I'll put all the portables and charge them. TV, good sized bed, decent amount of pillows, some more storage area. Air conditioners works very well. The ceiling fan above to keep you extra cool. There's our pool towels, beach towels, another sitting chair over there. So now really what the upgrade here is all about is the view. So let's take a look at that. So we'll start off down on this end. So this is facing back towards the resort. So we're building number 7, which is the one closest to the beach. So that's really the one you want to request. We had to kind of sweet talk the manager into letting me get this one. You can see the other rooftop ones are further down. They're not going to get that good of an ocean view. Now on the other side there, you get a bit of a view of the ocean as well. So there's the one of the swim-up pools you can see down there. That's the snack bar. Let's keep. You can see this is a huge area up here. You can walk all around. Get the sunset. I think we're kind of late in the afternoon, like around 4 or 5 o'clock. The sunset's going to set off in that direction. And here's a beach view, which is good. Only one lounge chair. Huh. Tracy's already got it. And so this is pretty unusual in Cuba to get a decent view of the ocean. Usually that's pretty hard to come by. Let's just zoom in a bit here. Just kind of pan along the side. Apparently we get the sunrise here coming up, so it'll be nice in the morning. Seeing a pretty good view all along the beach here. The beach is fantastic. I've already been out in it. Water's warm. There's a little bit of waves, not much. Good wind, which is good as well to keep the bugs down.